In this video, I'm going to show you how to execute trades on NinjaTrader. Now, the first thing you'll need is a chart. So I'm going to click on New, and then I'm going to click on Chart over here. And then I'm going to just open up a chart for Bitcoin USD, and then I'm going to click on OK. Of course, you can customize it if you want to. I'm not going to right now. I'm going to press OK, and there we go. I have some data on here right now. After that, what you want to do is you actually have two options. Either on the chart, you can just click on this button up here, which basically says Chart Trader, and you can basically enable it by clicking this button. And in here, you can then execute buy and sells over here on the right hand side. So you can buy and sell and execute trades that way, or you can click on New and then basic entry, and you can do the same thing over here as well without even having to use a chart. So that's pretty much how you execute the trades, and then in here under executions, you'll be able to see your trades. So that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.